What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new to the channel, get out or stick around and see us unbox epic random stuff. Today we're actually going to be unboxing two sets of Zinc keycaps that I got off of eBay, and these were actually a suggestion by YouTube user. Thank you for the suggestion. So we're gonna unbox and review these and see what we have here. Let's get into it. Alright, and as you can see, there's no special packaging or anything like that, just some foam. And let's take a look at these keycaps. They do come individually wrapped, and these are golden in color. Alright, so after opening the package, we do have the gold WASD and we have the silver arrow keys, and these are zinc metal, and they're very lightweight. They're actually not heavy. So inside you have your plastic, which I believe is what makes this translucent. And remember your Cherry MX stem. Make sure your keyboard is compatible. And I have to say, these are very shiny, very nicely polished. They look very nice, not bad. I actually paid $8.47 for this one and about $7.60 for this one. I will leave the links down below if you're interested. And the silver ones actually look very nice as well. Let's put these on the keyboard and see how they look. The ones that I currently have on right now, they're actually not translucent. They're just metal zinc keycaps. So let's switch them out. And you can see the difference very quickly from the non-translucent to the translucent ones. They actually look very nice. And on the WASD, I actually do have translucent silver ones, so let's swap them out for the gold ones. I gotta say, they look nice. I mean, the gold really pops out. I'm not really into the whole gold theme thing, but it looks nice. Can't complain. A little bit more slippery than these. These have a little bit of a texture to them. These don't at all. Again, I would never really recommend any metal keycaps for gaming, at least not your WASD, which is what you'll end up using the most. They definitely look really cool though. And remember everyone, if you're interested in any of the keycap reviews that are on this keyboard, they're all available on the channel. Alright everyone, so that was it for the gold and silver metal keycap sets. I really think they're nice. They give a nice touch to your keyboard. I wouldn't recommend them for gaming as they could be very slippery, but definitely give you a nice touch if you're looking to do something different. For $7-8 you can't really go wrong. Thanks again to my subscriber for suggesting to review this product. If you're new around the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. Remember everyone, be kind to one another.